Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use a Versaflo PAPR. This is a Versaflo PAPR. This is a Versaflo TR300. It is the little brother of the TR600, but they work essentially the same. I do have a disposable hood for my PAPR, and I'll show you that. Here is the bottom battery. Essentially, you put it like that and click it down. Hopefully the battery's already there. If not, there it is. There's a blue thing like that. The filter should already be installed, so hopefully you won't have to manage that process. So there's your PAPR. I'm going to turn it on. There's a little gauge like this that you put in, and you put it in and watch the ball rise. This is to be done every time you use the PAPR. So make sure you do that test to make sure you've got flow. The filter is good as long as the flow is good. If you have a good battery and good flow, you have a good filter. I'm going to put on my PAPR. I have to leave a little room on the belt. Your mileage may vary. This is the hood. The TR600 PAPR has a connector that looks like a screw. The Breathe Right or Breathe Easy PAPR, whatever it is at North, does not have a screw connection. It has a slip connection. Here's the end of the hose. Here's the thing. Hook it up. And I don't honestly know, I don't remember from the donning and doffing video if you put the PAPR hood on first or if you put it on after you don it, but I'll do it this way. Hello friends. It's kind of loud and not easy to hear. I will tell you that the button, you can push it to turn the flow up. And you can turn, and then a long hold will turn it off. That's all I've got. Make sure you use your donning and doffing assistance to understand exactly how to put it on and off, but that's a quick operation of the PAPR video. Good luck, stay safe.